So I went from this to this, all for the sake of an April Fool's video. So hopefully by now you've all seen the ridiculous Lamborghini day trading ad video that I posted on April 1st. Before I go any further, let me address the elephant in the room right now. Did I really buy a Lamborghini? No, I did not. The Lamborghini was specifically rented for the April Fool's video. There's many more questions from the video that I'll answer in just a second. And I also have a recording of my very own reaction when I saw the video for the first time when I got it back from a videographer, if you're interested in seeing my ridiculous face. But first, I want to say a huge thank you to my friends Diane, John, Belinda, Cindy, Kristina, and Tony for helping me out on a cold morning in Stanley Park, chasing crows around and dressed in sexy pole dancing outfit and getting paid only by fake dollar bills. All of this time and effort, all for the purpose of fulfilling a crazy, ridiculous dream of mine of going all in, money, time, planning-wise, on an April Fool's video. Really just for the sake of having fun and making ourselves and over hundreds of thousands of people worldwide on the internet laugh. And thank you to my amazing videographer Thibaud for going above and beyond with filming and editing my day in the life of a day trader video and the Lamborghini video. Check out his Instagram and YouTube for more of his beautiful professional work. And let's not forget about the ridiculous open house from the Lamborghini video. That would not have been possible without the appearance of Vancouver realtor Mark Wiens. If you guys think my jokes are bad, the jokes on his YouTube and Instagram are literally off the charts. It's almost like he dropped a midday ATM offering. And I also heard if you're buying or selling a home with him in Vancouver, he'll give you a free Lamborghini. That's just what I heard. And this is getting ridiculous, too hot. And of course, there's the beautiful luxury house in Kerrisdale, Vancouver. The shooting location is made possible by the generous help of Vancouver realtor Shirley Dang-Kramer and ILA Developments. Thank you for providing us such a luxurious house to sell a non-existent How to Make Lamborghini Money DVD. All for the price of $999.99. I lost count. I started writing and planning for the video in mid-January. If you haven't noticed, I write all the videos and the jokes by myself and I do all the revisions. If I have a feeling that the jokes are not written or delivered well, then I'd rather not make the videos. We finished filming the entire production by early March, before the COVID-19 shutdown, so no one's health was jeopardized and everyone is safe. So actually, the biggest joke of this entire experience was the fact that I truly thought I rented a Lamborghini Aventador Spider. On the rental website and on my receipt, it says Lamborghini Aventador S, and I truly believe that S stands for Spider. I thought Spider is whatever car that has the doors that open like this. You know, like that Silicon Valley reference?
A f***ing car whose doors open like this. Not like this, not like this.
And it's only after reading the comments I realized, holy, I just got schooled. That was actually an Aventador SVJ. A Spider is a convertible. I don't know shit like that. I took math in high school, but I totally skipped out on the Exotic Car 101 class. Where's the signal? I feel like people in these cars, they don't signal. I'm more than happy with my Toyota Corolla from the early 2000s. Gas is like $40 a month and I can eat my $2 a box Timbit in the comfort of my own car and nobody would judge me. Which totally did happen when I was eating my Timbit in a $500,000 car. So how much did it cost to rent the Lamborghini? The total production cost for the two videos was probably close to $9,000. The car itself was already $4,000. First of all, the car was completely fine. There's no damage whatsoever. But if there was any damage, the deductible would have been $10,000. Now, did this $4,000 Lamborghini rental that I got just to drive for maybe 3 or 4 hours maximum maximum at a ridiculous high speed of 40 kilometers an hour make any financial sense? Would Graham Stephan approve of this ridiculous spending all for the sake of one April Fool's video? Probably not. But did I want to and need to do it for both myself and all my followers on YouTube? Yes, absolutely. Are you hot? I don't know how to turn the AC on, so you have to figure it out yourself. I remember back in early February when I was browsing through all the luxurious sports car that cost more to rent for a week than to own my Corolla for the rest of my life. If I had rented instead this Mercedes AMG or this McLaren 570S, not a Spider, the rental and the insurance cost will literally just be half or 1/3 of the cost of the Lamborghini Aventador. But the long-running joke on this channel has always been Lamborghini money, not McLaren money and not Mercedes DVD. And that would be so disrespectful to my followers like Terrence, who's been here since 3,000 or 5,000 subscribers, or to Bronson, who's been here since 10,000 subscribers, and to you, of course. You've been suffering through all the bad jokes in the last year. It would be so disappointing and unfair for you guys to only get a McLaren and not a Lamborghini on your very own special April Fool's video. The whole purpose of the video is really just to have fun and bring some laughs, especially during a very serious and difficult time like this. I cannot develop a vaccine or a drug and get it FDA approved. I cannot provide you toilet paper or masks. But if all I could do is bring a smile to your face, then this whole production is absolutely worth it. But I did find it a little bit concerning that maybe there were 2 to 5% of the viewers who actually thought the video was a real ad. And they actually DM'd or emailed me asking me to buy the products in the April Fool's video. So I do feel an obligation to say this. Please exercise some common sense and basically do the opposite of everything I said in the April Fool's parody video. And yes, definitely study the technical analysis, fundamentals, and reading SEC filings. And most importantly, if it sounds too good to be true, that's because it probably is. There's no easy money in day trading, and there's no buy button that'll make it rain Lamborghinis. I do not provide text alerts to buy and sell, or this artificial intelligence do everything for you, no work required DVD. That's literally against everything I've been preaching. While I do have premium day trading education subscriptions, they still require you to put in the work. And they're at a very affordable price of $47 and $97. And if that's not for you, that's totally cool. I offer plenty of educational day trading videos for free here on this channel. And a very detailed weekly watch list for free that also comes with a subscription of bad jokes. There's something here for everyone. We've grown from less than 1,000 subscribers just a year ago to now over 127,000 subscribers here on this channel. Thank you so much for following this channel, for supporting the bad jokes, 20-cent Indomies, and $3,000 Corollas. There's so much more to come soon. With that said, here's a reaction video of myself after I gotten the video back from my videographer for the first time. Hope you enjoy. Alright, here we go. I know what you're thinking. It's another rich millionaire guy with a Lambo. But you're wrong.
What a douche.
It's a millionaire girl with a Lamborghini. Hi, my name is Shay, and I go by Humbled Trader. That name's just a joke. Once I make millions of dollars in trading, who cares if you're humble or not?
God. What am I doing with my hand? Oh my god, I'm so awkward with my hand. Holy shit. Oh man. I'm one of those people who like don't know where to put their hands when they're posing for like the photos. Like, do I do this? Or do I do like that? Like, okay.
Oh, look everyone. Oh, check out my new ride. My 2019.
Oh, my friend Diane, she's hilarious.
Aventador Spider. That's right.
Honestly, I don't know the difference. Like, when I was looking at the listings for all the cars to rent, I was like, is it like a cheaper version of the Lamborghini? And they said they used to have the Huracan, but it's gone. I'm like, okay, what's the difference? Like, as long as it's cheaper, but this Aventador is expensive to rent. Right? This is a $500,000 car. You wanna know how I got it? By only working 1 hour a day and from anywhere in the world, making this easy cash. So cringe. Let me tell you, the secret? Day trading. I've discovered a winning formula that allows my students and I to make hundreds of thousands of dollars each year trading in the stock market. You see, they don't have the one secret formula, one proven strategy that's gonna give you this baby.
This baby? Well, you're about to find out. But first, let me ask you a question. Are you terribly single? Did you?
Oh my god. I have a feeling Google's gonna censor me for this. Too much cash and too much skin together at the same time. Holy shit.
Can you like hug me like you mean it? I'm paying you big bucks to help me sell the dream, you know?
What a douchebag. Oh my god. What's my mom gonna think about this?
What can I say? Nobody can get enough of me and my one true love, the Benjamins. Introducing the Day Trading Millionaire Starter Pack. Are you behind on your credit card bills? Good. Click the buy button and start banking. Is your landlord kicking you out next month? Good. Click that buy button and start.
The funny thing is, I'm wearing the exact same outfit right now. The glasses and the shirt. I just need a hat, that loser hat. That's what we called it when we were shooting this video. Like, Shay, can you remember to bring that loser hat? Okay, let me find it from my luggage.
Banking. Does your girlfriend or boyfriend think you're a broke, pathetic loser?
Yeah, they think I'm a broke, pathetic loser, which is fine.
Good. Click that buy button and start banking. I want you to deal with all your problems by becoming a filthy rich.
Oh, filthy cringe.
All you have to do is click the buy button and start banking with me and this green Lamborghini. Let's go.
Yeah.
How do you start this? Okay. You know how to start this thing? No. Shit. Let me call. Hey, hello.
The phone is not even on.
So how exactly do you start this thing? Like, do I put the key somewhere? Uh-huh.
No shit, you put a key somewhere. Oh man, so I drove that car on like a 7 a.m. on a Sunday into this high-end neighborhood in Vancouver. I'm sure I woke everyone up. The car was so loud. Every turn around the corner, you can hear the engine. So I'm surprised like no rich old man or old lady came out and threw shit at me.
No, not by my mommy or daddy, by my #1 day trading secret phone.
Wait! Holy shit! The tag is still on. I wonder if they knew about this, but no one told me. The tag is still on. Holy shit. I mean, it worked out well.
Introducing my How to Make Money DVD.
Oh, so cringe. What's my mom gonna think about this?
So stop cheaping out like you're broke. Living paycheck.
It's funny, I'm the cheapest person ever.
Toilet paper from work.
I've done that.
For only
oh my god, like, after watching that, I mean, it's funny, but man, like, oh, so much cringe. Oh man, I'm like, honestly, I'm like really scared. Like, of course, I'm proud of the video and it turned out really well and I think it's funny. Holy shit, but like, I feel like so dirty after that. Like, like seeing myself like that, I can't do it. But hopefully you guys like it. Let me know in the comment section if you found it funny. Oh my god. I hope my mom doesn't see this.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the bad jokes. If you want to see more day trading content, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more. If you'd like to trade with me daily and get my free weekend watch list and trading journal, make sure to check out the links below for more resources. Stay green, stay positive, and I'll see you guys next time.